Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll show you how you can record video and audio using Microsoft PowerPoint, and you can turn that into a video. So in this video, I have opened up a PowerPoint file. I would like to record a video first, and then I'll show you how I would convert that into video. So let's go to slideshow at the top, and as you can see, you can select record at the top. Once I click here, it's gonna pull up a dialog box that will have several options that I can choose from. You can enable video, you can enable microphone, and there is a thing called auto scroll, which I will not be enabling that. There is a three dots. When you click there, you have several options to choose. You can select your preferred microphone from the microphone options. You can select camera, which camera, if you have multiple cameras enabled, the list will show up here. So for now, I'm not gonna enable any camera for this demonstration, but at least I'll just leave it on for the demonstration. So for the microphone, I will select microphone, this microphone, because this is the microphone that I'm using. So let me do a sample recording. So I'm gonna click hit record. So it's gonna give me the countdown from 3, 2, and 1. So my recording has been started. Hello everyone. This is a video recording, lecture recording about blockchain and Bitcoin. So in this PowerPoint presentation, I have agenda: what is Bitcoin, what is blockchain, Bitcoin mining, proof of work, dollar value of Bitcoins, challenges facing Bitcoins. So what is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency network designed by Satoshi Nakamoto in 2008. By the way, nobody knows who is Satoshi Nakamoto. More than 14% of the US population owns cryptocurrencies, with the majority of them being Bitcoins. So this is my sample test. So when you are finished with the recording, simply click on stop icon. So I just click stop icon, and I believe this should be ready. Now click export. You can directly export from here, but before even exporting, I'm just gonna hit escape. Says export a video before exiting. I would exit now. So here you go. You can see that the video is being recorded. Like whatever I said on this slide will show up here. So if I have said something on the second slide, which I did on the agenda, so everything that I said as far as this particular slide is here. In the third slide, everything I said on this slide has been recorded and it is available here. Let me play that. So what is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency network designed by Satoshi Nakamoto. So yeah, I can hear the sound, and if I had my video recorded, that video would also be shown here. So now my video and audio is recorded. I'm going to export everything else into a MP4 video. So to do that, I will go to file, I will go to export, and then I will choose create a video. So once I click here, I have several options to choose. For now, I will choose full HD 1080p. You can also choose ultra HD, but I think for this one I can simply choose full HD 1080p. You can also choose use recorded timings and narrations. If it is important for you, you can also choose that. So I'm gonna click create video, and once I do that, it's gonna ask me where I should save this video. I'm just gonna simply select downloads. So that's where I'm gonna save my video. I'm gonna hit export, and once I do that, the video is being exported. As you can see down below that it says exporting Bitcoin and blockchain lecture PowerPoint.mp4. It will usually take about 4 to 5 minutes depending on how many slides that you have and the number of recordings that you have on each slide. All right, this is the video. If you guys like this video, consider subscribing and commenting on the videos. If you have any specific suggestions, specific questions that you need help with, feel free to comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching.